Hi there, Henry Smith here from IamWealthyandRich.com, where we talk about how to understand the game of money and play it well. Welcome to today's cryptocurrency portfolio update, where I update a portfolio that I've been growing over the past year and a half. Before I continue, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and also understand the risks. There are risks in investing, so do not invest more money than you can afford to lose. Also understand I'm not a financial advisor or financial planner, so do seek your own financial advice. Make sure you stay to the end of this video, because after the update I always talk about something of interest. So right now I'm going to share my screen, go straight to the update. So this is the portfolio. I've been doing this now since, well, I've been documenting it, shall I say, since about a year now, just over a year ago, February 2021. So we've got three main columns. We've got the altcoin, Bitcoin, and the totals column. And the green and red, green is where it's moved forward in the previous day, over the previous day, and red is when it's moved backwards over the previous day. So we've got a lot of forwards and backwards. We've got times when we have a week when it's gone forward, and then we've got some times when it's gone backwards several days in a row as well. And we've got also forward and backward. And all of these start to form a pattern, which can be used in conjunction with other analysis tools. So that's why I do take this data. And also to show you the mindset it takes to stay through an investment, hold on to an investment, and to weather the storms or the ups and downs. And believe me, there has been some ups and downs over the last year, as you can see. Whereas most people run for the hills. You know, long-term investors don't do that. So let's go to today. Yesterday was a green day, so basically market moved forward slightly. Let's see where we are today. So today's date is the 12th of February. I get my figures from this page here, which comes in from a live feed from CoinMarketCap, and it's updated every 10 minutes. So we got this portfolio consists of one whole Bitcoin, a selection of specially selected alternative coins, of all coins apart from Bitcoin. And this is the total. Left-hand side, we've got US dollars. Right-hand side, we've got British pounds. Same portfolio. This is the percentage split. So let's see where we are here. So this is the figure I want there: 131, 181, 24. It's 131,181.24. So that's down 12,000. So it's going to be colored red. And next figure, the top one, 173, 216, 77. 173, 216, so 173, 216.77. Sure, right. Yeah. That also looks like it has dropped. 10K. What about Bitcoin? Dropped as well. So basically, it's all red today. No worries. Not the first time it happens, and it won't be the last. So basically, the altcoin portfolio has dropped 12,993. Bitcoin has dropped 1,528, and the total portfolio has dropped 14,521. All in a day's work, all perfectly normal. So we shall watch and observe. Let's take a closer look at the markets. Now this is the total market, so it's 1.8 trillion, 1.86 trillion at the moment. It was up to 1.9 trillion in the last 24 hours. But the money's starting to flow a little bit out of the market, so that's why there's a drop. Bitcoin is the Bitcoin death cross, like I said, happened on the 14th of January. But as I mentioned in previous videos, there are two more death crosses to come. So one on the 2-day, which is a lot more accurate, which is kind of basically heading our way, the way things are on the 16th of February, on the next 4 days. And also one on the 3-day chart, which is a lot more powerful if this happens, and that is scheduled to happen around 25th of May. If the price doesn't change and go, change direction and go in the upward direction, it will be another death cross. Now, other indicators like the MACD, it also shown a very powerful, on the monthly, is also shown a very powerful cross here. And because of this cross here, this is also signaling a downward trend. There could be an upward trend, but things are looking, with these two working in tandem, things could be looking towards pointing downwards. Just a matter of positioning yourself, or just waiting, or be ready to take advantage of the opportunity. The NVT is showing bullish at the moment. There was some bearish signs on the weekly chart, where you see the white, there was bearish. White here, it was bearish, but now it seems bullish. But we have to watch and see how that goes. Whenever it's shown white for a longer period of time, there's been a bearish trend on the market. The ADX is interesting because, like I said, we've been waiting for the green line to be on top, and that happened around the 5th of February or so. And hopefully, it may stay on top for some time, but it looks like, these two are closing together, the green and the red. Like, it looks like the mouth is closing. And but if they can stay away from each other, there will be a continued uptrend. If they close and meet and then swap over again, so we have red on the top, we're going to a bearish trend. Now here's an interesting, powerful tool analyzing trends, and hope you enjoy this one. This tool here kind of shows various moving averages. I'm not going into detail here, but very powerful and very accurate. When the price action is on the red and orange line, things are bearish. When it's above, on or above the red, especially the red or the orange line, things are bullish. We're in a bullish period, an upward trend. But as soon as this red line crosses the yellow, it's time to watch out. Okay. Now, if it crosses the yellow line and the yellow line then falls and crosses the green line, we've got a downward trend. Definite. This is a confirmation. So when it crosses the yellow, it's like a signal of a downward price reversal. When it crosses the green, it's more like a confirmation. And then we get that downward trend. And the same thing as we saw in the last crash, when get this closer, when the price was above mainly above the orange and the red and the orange line, until the orange and yellow line went below the yellow. When it went below the yellow, there was a signal, and then it recovered. But it went below the yellow again, and then took the green with it. When it takes that green with it, you have a confirmation, and that's where we've got that downtrend, and those who are positioning themselves knew what to do and knew what to expect. If it, sometimes it crosses the green line, but if it makes a quick recovery, then it goes back above the green line. Then you've got that. You haven't got that confirmation. But like I said, the last one we had right now, it crossed the green line. The yellow crossed the green, and then you had that confirmation. So what we're waiting for, and what we're waiting to see, is when this orange line, so the orange line and the red line are way down below in the last crash. They had to kind of cross the yellow, and then the yellow had to cross the green line to confirm that recovery. Then we got that recovery. And so we're waiting for that to happen now. The red and the orange lines are very thin, but they cross the yellow line. But we're waiting for the yellow line to cross the green. And if they cross the green, then we may have a recovery. If this green crosses this other green, then you've got a definite confirmation. But right now, we're still observing. So make sure if you like this content, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification button, hit the notification, so share and all that, and be notified when I keep you updated, so you can get updated. But this is a very powerful tool, and again, I'm not giving a financial advice, but it's just something to use to take the temperature, shall I say, of the market and the direction of the market, and we go back, and it's really very, very reliable. But this is, you can't use this in isolation. But anyway, I've got this on the history. My computer screen is freezing. That's okay. So anyway, we'll keep you posted, and we'll observe the other indicators, how they perform and how they act. And what this cross is quite significant. And we shall watch to see if it looks like the 2-day death cross is going to happen. We shall see whether the 3-day death cross happens. That will be in May. Anyway, if you like this kind of content, don't forget to like and share. Don't forget to visit our website and download your free millionaire mindset and investment strategy free. And IamWealthyandRich.com, links below the video. And I want to thank you very much for watching this video with me. And I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Have a great day. I'll speak to you soon. Bye.